How you doing, guys? Chris here, and I've got the Diatone GT M3 Plus edition. So this was the last analog quad that I bought, and it was the first plus frame quad that I bought. And I've since graduated to building larger, better plus frames. I love the plus, but this is the frame that started it all. And I converted it over to digital about a year ago. It's got a naked vista in there and the DJI camera. And I just flew this thing 2 days ago. Still flies great 3 years later. Love it. And I was looking through my box of parts, all my spares, and I found a XM Plus receiver, VTX, old camera, what was this, Runcam Swift. And I was thinking, you guys going to switch over to digital? Have you done it already? Are you going to go with Byte? Are you going to do DJI? I don't know. It's all a lot of options. It's a new year. I switched over about a year ago, so obviously my fleet is all digital now, DJI. Might wait before let Byte mature just a little bit more before I want to do a dual system. But right now I'm solely DJI. Even got the controller. I don't even use any of these anymore. Even when I go medium range, 3-4K, it's all I'm willing to do. You only fly as far as you're willing to hike out to recover your quad, right? So it's as far as I'm willing to go hunting for a quad. Anyway, here we're talking about this guy. For a 3-inch with these 1408 motors, I'm surprised on how much flight time I can get out of this thing. On one of these 750s here, GMB 750s, I can fly for a good 7-8 minutes. So pretty impressed with this setup. I got some folding props on there now, just put them on a couple days ago. Had some, I don't know, what do you call those, wind duster, wind spirit, some kind of gem friend prop, but these are pretty good. I like the fact that they fold up, get out of the way. I mean, it's already a small quad, but now I can pretty much stick it in my pocket. So anyway, just wanted to see what you guys were doing. New year, is it time to upgrade your fleet? I upgraded. Let me know what you're gonna do. Yeah, see you later.